Okay, so I'm going to be 1v1ing Noth for this video, and he'll tell me when to start.
Goofy Goobers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why did I take the same exact... I fell.
No! Bro.
No, I messed that up. No. I'm terrible. Ow, I just kicked my bed. I missed it.
5, 6, 27, 28, 29,
Hit 30?
30, 31, 32. Shit.
$37, $38, $39, $40, $41,
50, yeah.
$43, $44, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $50, $51, $52,
The fall, man, the fall.
56, 57, 58, 59. Oh, you're right there. No, my charger. Ow, I just hit my wall. No, you have rock. You're dead. I'm cooked.
No!
I
Bro, I
escaped.
almost flip tagged you there. No!
Yes.
I know why I'm not tagging you. Cause I wrote impatient.
I just threw my controller. No! I'm cooked.
No!
No way. No, okay. A
How
minute.
am I supposed to, like,
I think that
oh
was
my
like
God, I did not know I tagged you in about 2 seconds. That's great. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, well, I think that was like a minute 40.
I-
10,
Shit, my
9,
hands are sweaty.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I threw my controller again. Bro, okay, wait. Start counting now.
Bro, we got
No,
a
because I
lot
threw
of
my controller.
comments.
Start
Bro, we
Bro.
got the same thing.
tree camping?
We
Why
got the-
can you not run? What the
Weave.
heck? I actually got brain damage from that one. No! Oh, I just broke my hip. No! By tracking. Why? I've never seen this route before. I suck at tagging, but I'm great at running. Got you! Oh my God.
No!
I was like 30 seconds. I don't know. Were you counting?
Yeah, it was like
Okay.
29.69.
So, I beat Noth by like a minute and 10 seconds.
Yo!